So, I, Dr. Anil Kumar Dubey, Associate Professor, ABES Engineering College, Ghaziabad. In previous lecture, we have discussed about the intelligent agent, that is the part of artificial intelligence. So, today we have discussed the structure of intelligent agent. So, in previous lecture, we have already discussed about the intelligent agent characteristics, their rules, and their architecture, how they are working. Means their uh, effectors, sensors, perceptions, everything environment is that. So for today agenda, that is the basic terms of structure of intelligent agent. Simple reflex agents is that, model based reflex agents is that, and goal based agent is that, utility based agent is that. So introduction part, we start. Agent structure can be viewed as a sum of agent architecture and agent program. So two terms are that. First one is the agent architecture and second one is the agent program. Agent architecture, that is the combination of three terms. It's just like in views, human diagrams, we know about that. Structural view, behavioral view, that may be combined, and that is called the architectural view. Similarly, agent architecture is that, where that is the machines where agent can execute on it. So agent architecture is what? That is just like a machinery that agent executes on it. And second part, that is the agent program, that is an implementation of an agent function which is used to map the percept to an actions is that. Simple reflex agents. So they choose the action only based on the current perceptions. They don't care about the perceptions history, whatever the history in the perceptions. They did not care about that particular terms. Means they are just ignoring that part, and they just consider the data what? Current state of the perception. They are the rational only if a correct decision is made only on the basis of current perception. If suppose that the decision is made on behalf of they have requiring the previous history, the historical data, then the simple reflex agent did not provide the correct results. The condition is that if environment is completely observable, then we have applied the simple reflex agent, else we did not apply it. So that are the conditions for the simple reflex agent is that. Now, condition action rule is that it is rule that maps a state conditions to an access. So that are the architecture of condition action rules. Here the environment and agent, they have interact with each other related. So agent within an environment, multiple agents are possible. So suppose that from the environments, agents perceive some informations. What happened in the environments through their sensors, and they are analyzing that particular terms. What the world is like now, means the environment is how sustainable with existing such type of issues, such type of task, how they can resolve these tasks, means what the action they have planned, means if they are doing such actions, then what happened. So they are just thinking, analyzing every terms. So that is the condition action rules, and after that they are finalizing, I will do this particular action. So the by using actuators, and after applying these, the actions is visible in the environment is that. Now, model based reflect agents, they use the model of word to choose their actions and maintain an internal state. The model is what? That is a knowledge about how the things happen in the world, and internal state is the representation of unobserved aspects of current state depending on the perceived history. So they are considering the perceived history, not the current state only is that. And updations in the state requires the information about how the world evolves with this particular issues, and again how the agents actions affect the world is that. That is the architecture of model based in intelligent agent. Environment is just like a society is that, and agent, they perceive the issues information from environment through their sensor is that. They are analyzing this particular information, how the world is like now, their states current state, historical perspective, everything, ontological perspective, everything. After that, they are analyzing the what action I should do. Condition action rules is that they are again applying. If I do this, what happened? If I do this, what happened? So every terms they have analyzing. After that, they are taking the decisions by using actuators. They are applying which one is the best rule to applying to solve the issues. And after that, effectors visible to the environments. Now, goal-based agent is that. So the goal-based agent, they choose the actions so as to achieve a given or computed goal is that. Goal-based approach is more flexible than the reflex agents since the knowledge supporting a decision is explicitly modeled, thereby allowing for the modification is that. Keeping track of the current state is often not enough. Need to add goals to decide which situations are good, deliverable instead of the reactive. Goal is what? That is the descriptions of desirable situations. So whatever the desirable. So architecture of the goal-based agent, that is environment, and second part is agent. So from agent, they perceives the information issues from the environment society by using their sensors. So after that, they are again analyzing what the word is like now. Is how the word or environment they are surviving with these particular issues. What the level of these particular issues? That is the advanced level, beginning level, intermediate level. Everything they have analyzing. So the state of about the issues, how the word involves with issues, their interactions, whatever the benefits and whatever the some limitations with that. Similarly, what the action they will perform means what my actions to do that they plan by the agents. After that, they just target the goal. By using these actions, they reach to the goal or not. If they reach to the goal, they plan that action I will do by using effectors that is visible in the environments. Now, utility-based agent, they choose the action based on the preference utility each for each state. Goals are inadequate when there are conflicting goals, out of which only few can be achieved. Goals have some uncertainty of being achieved, and you need to weight likelihood of success against the importance of the goal is that. For example, when there are multiple possible alternatives, how to decide which one is the goal? That are the confusions basically. For this particular purpose, agent they are using the utility-based agent is that. So a goal specifies a crude distinctions between a happy and unhappy state. Two state is that person is either happy or unhappy, but often need to more general performance measuring that describes the degree of happiness. If they are happy, how much they are happy. So how you have compute this? So if the your target is person is happy or not happy, you are applying the goal-based agent. If your target is that you just compute the degree of happiness. If person is happy, then how much they are happy. So you have required just the utility-based agent. So that are the rules of utility-based. Unity T function U that is the state to reals indicating a measures of the success or happiness when at a given state. They allowing the decisions comparison choices between the conflicting goals. Multiple goals are that. So their conflicts they have resolved and choices between the likelihood of the success and importance of the goal. If achievement is uncertain is that. So that is the architecture of utility-based agent. Here, environment is that second part. That is the again agent. Agent they perceive the information issues from the society's environment. Again, they are analyzing which what the word is like now. State of the issue, state of the that particular information, how the word involves with that particular information is that, and what the action they can plan for self. Again, which one is the they are just computing, which one is the utility based, which one is the uh, uh, happy or unhappy state like this. So happiness degree they compute the how much happy the person is at. Means how happy I will be such a state. Similarly, what action I will do or should do for now to resolve that particular problem. After that, they have resolved this and the effectors visual everything is that. So that are the some references we have used for this. S. Russells and P. Norving, Artificial Intelligence, book by the Prentice Hall, third edition 2009. Second book is that M. Jones, Artificial Intelligence, a System Approach, Computer Science. That is Jones and Butler Publishers. Third one is Graham Smith's Multi-Agent System, MIT Press, 2013. So thank you.